What's up, guys? This is Tampa Tech. Sorry I haven't posted in quite some time. I've been going through a lot of family matters, personal issues, but I wanted to share this video to you to show you what I've been working on with my friend Bob and Joe. Well, as you guys know, Bob is a pinball designer and he won Best Homebrew Pinball Design at Texas Pinball Festival for the pinball machine Elf. Well, he decided to make his very own pinball machine and Joe and I helped him. Joe did the art and I did the rules, and Bob is doing the code, and he actually did the pinball design, the layout. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we've been working on it for about almost 2 years, I believe, and it's almost done. It's at code version 0.3, that's the version. So it's not fully coded, and there's not all the rules implemented inside the machine, but it does have 4 flippers, it has a lot of cool combo shots, loop shots that you can repeat over and over. The left ramp you can hit from the left bottom flipper or the right bottom flipper or the upper right flipper, and you can combo that over and over. It has an upper playfield that rotates. Yes, it has a carousel upper playfield that rotates, and so when you shoot the right ramp, the ball can divert to the left, middle, or to the right. That works as an off ramp to get to your destination. The pinball machine is called Ramps Road Trip. Ramps is the raccoon. You get to pick your destination by shooting the spinner, which activates the pop-up scoop. You shoot the ball in the scoop, and then you select your destination, and then you shoot your ramp to start that mode. One of my favorite modes is Vegas mode, where you have to gamble your points. Yes, just like the pinball machine jackpot. There's also pop-up cows, which is a nod toward Williams. The rules are based off of what we enjoy from the late 90s. So hopefully you get to enjoy this pinball machine when it does release later on this year. Let's go ahead and take a further look and see what other people think about it. What's up, guys? This is Tampa Tech, and this is Pinball at the Beach, and we're launching a brand new pinball machine called Ramps Road Trip. This will be available later on this year. Right now it's currently not for sale, but we are doing a preview. The code is 0.3 version, and here's a brief description right here. Features multiple ramps, 4 pop bumpers, drain save, pop-up VUK, 4 flippers, magnets as Invisiglass, car bash toy, rotating raccoon, rotating freeway interchange, upper playfield, and also 3 cow tipping drop targets, 2 mechanical ball locks, 2 3-bank drop targets, additional drop targets, custom powder coating on the legs and the rails and the lockdown bar, quiet power supply, real knocker, shaker motor, animated dyno, and real stereo. Limited 500, no deposits, and first ever load your own music onto the radio. So this is it, Road Trip, Ramps Road Trip. Here's the side art right here. There's ramps. Here's the apron. Has a LCD built in to the playfield. Later on, the LCD will show you where to shoot at. These are the drop targets right there that pop up. There's Vegas right there. These are the ramps. The left ramp is a loop ramp that you could combo over and over again. The right ramp goes to the upper playfield where it can rotate and go to different directions. There's a flipper right up there. There's the bash toy. There's the other flipper right there, and you can lock the ball. Has 3 spinners. Has a kickback also as well. And this was designed by Bob Neese, which won Texas Pinball Festival for Best Homebrew Pinball Machine for ELF. And this is Bob, right here.
I'm not a good player. I'm not a good player. I played this. I come in last.
He's a better pinball designer than a pinball player.
I'm known for going 0 and 10 at the tournaments.
Oh, there's a cow. Yeah, and he hit it right back at me. People are saying how much they love the Clown Motel. Oh!
That was nice.
Oh! We're going right back down. There's a lot of music in this. I don't think I've got the same.
All right, how you doing? Welcome to Pinball at the Beach, St. Petersburg, Florida. And we're interviewing.
Hi, I'm Don from Don's Pinball Podcast. Hello, Internet and World. I'm here at Pinball at the Beach 2025. I just played Ramps Road Trip Pinball Machine. Super fun, man. What do you want to know? Ask me anything.
All right, so this is a code 0.3. So the code is not complete, but you can still play it. How did you feel about the gameplay?
I got to hit the cow drop targets, which was the thing I was probably excited about the most. Also, it was fun to play with the little carousel that you have there. It's a 2-level diverter with some movable pop bumpers underneath. Super fun. Yeah, shots felt good. I think, the code is, of course, in its infancy. However, the things that you can't code and change with the ball pass and such, yeah, it seems to be pretty fun. I'd like to go play it again.
How was the ball flow?
Yeah, it was good. So apparently, not counting my skill level, supposedly you can hit all the ramps from both flippers. I need to work on that a little bit. But yeah, I liked how you used the space that was there, that left ramp that goes behind the back panel. Always fun when that happens. Some interesting skill shots in there. And again, there's cows that pop up and they're drop targets. It was fun.
How'd you like the music?
It was passable from what I could hear. I don't know if that's still early music code there. I heard you could maybe add your own songs. I would love to.
You can add your own songs later on once the code is complete.
Yeah, but yeah, the music wasn't offensive. I can tell you that. It didn't take me out of my road trip experience.
All right, how do you like the art?
Yeah, I think it's serviceable for where it's at. I did like it better seeing it in person from what I saw earlier. And but yeah, I think the best art's probably on the cabinet and the back glass.
Oh, you like the back glass, the art the best?
All right, yeah.
How about the playfield art?
Playfield art seems to be pretty good at telling me what to do. Yeah. So there was that, yeah.
All right, and then anything else?
I want to play it some more. I got like 2.5 games through there, so I'd like to throw the balls around. There's some other things I'd like to try. I'd like to play with that diverter some more, and see how that fleshes out. But yeah, it was fun. Road trip 2025.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, buddy, no problem.
All right, so you just played Ramps Road Trip. What do you think?
I was excited to see it because I read about it. I loved it when the cow popped up in the middle of the play field. That's like driving down the highway. It's like, oh no, cow, we gotta look out. The ramps are really cool. I like the rotating pop bumpers, the way the ramp format changes. I know it's early, it's definitely in preview, but I'm looking forward to playing it at TPF and seeing how much it's improved in a month.
All right, thank you so much, I appreciate it. So right now you're playing Ramps Road Trip. What do you think about it? How do you like the ball flow?
It's pretty good so far. I just got a multi-ball first one. It was a little rough on me on the first one, but so far so good. I like it.
All right, thank you. All right, you just played Ramps Road Trip. This is a preview, and it is coded 0.3 version. What do you think about Ramps Road Trip?
Oh, it's a lot of fun. It's a new concept. I like how you can make the music your own and make it your own road trip and go where you want to go.
Yep, you can upload your own music. It hasn't been coded yet, but it will be. And what do you think about the 4-flipper layout?
I like that a lot because it gives you a little bit more opportunity to catch that ball.
What do you think about the bash toy, the car?
I'm sorry?
What do you think about the car, the truck, the bash toy?
Oh, it's fun. It's crazy.
Yeah. And how do you like the music?
It sounds good. It's kind of hard to hear it here.
It is very hard to hear. It's very loud. And how do you like the ball flow and the combo shots?
Oh, a lot of fun. A lot of different things you can do.
And what's your name again? And where are you from?
Christina Brooks from Manassas, Virginia, outside DC.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.
If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that might be interested in this video, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.